Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It is the 13th day of December, which means we are unboxing box number 13 in my hashtag gifted LookFantastic advent calendar. So let's just jump right in. It feels squishy. This is a glove eye mask. You know, like a sleep eye mask. I love these. I live in an apartment where I get a lot of lighting. That feels so soft. And because of that elastic band being loose, it's not going to pull and crease my hair. And it's a beautiful bluey grey, bluey black. That's so unusual. I would never have expected to get something like that in a LookFantastic advent calendar. Oh, I really like this. It's quirky. Oh, I can just imagine drifting off to sleep with this on. Anyway, that's all from me from the 13th of December. Tune back in again tomorrow for the 14th of December and we will unbox door number 14. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.